What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you've seen we just played musical cars, got the CRV pulled off, got the EK pulled up, took the battery out, threw it in the Integra because yes, the Integra is going for sale, guys. It's finally the day. I'm gonna go post it. Gonna take some nice pictures of it and get this thing gone, man. So it's time to get this gone so we can focus on other things like maybe fixing this one up, maybe putting some more money into the EF, or maybe we'll buy another project car. What kind of car would you guys like to see? I really want a K series something. So I was thinking maybe like an EK coupe and making it like a SI clone, but with a K series. Let me know if that sounds cool. Kind of leaning towards that, or maybe I don't know, maybe something older, guys. Maybe like a, if I can find one like a I think it's like a '79 Civic, like the CC one or whatever. It has like a kind of looks like a Datsun. Maybe something like that if I can find it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing turned on. Let's pull it outside, and then we'll go to like an area and take some photos of it real quick. All right, guys, so we're at a location next to a church and a cemetery. So, but it looks pretty good over here. The lighting's good. So let's go ahead and get some shots. But yeah, this might be the last video, guys, that you guys see of the Integra. It might sell quick. I'm going to post it for 6,500, and we'll see, you know, if anybody offers me anything close to that, and I'll probably take it, guys. I really need to free up some cash, and I need to get this spot back in my garage so we can do some more work. Man, I got to close my garage. These planes are getting on my damn nerves. Like every literally 2 minutes, they keep coming over, and every time I try to make a video and record and say something in the videos, it's a plane flying over, and I hear it when I'm trying to edit. It drives me crazy. It happens. But I think we're going to end off today's video with unboxing, guys. We got a couple things for the EF that came in. I'm still waiting on, I think, one more item to come in, which I think it might be here tomorrow or Monday. So, but I promise you guys a little EF content, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got a couple things that came in for the EF over the past week. So first thing, not too exciting, but boom, this is a new ignition. I've been having problems with my ignition. Also, I fixed the one in the EK, and then I looked it up and I actually had one. If you guys don't know, I have an EG dash harness, because I have an EG dash, and it's an EG wiring harness pretty much for the whole car. And I just converted it to EF lights, and you know, the motor and everything was already for OBD1 VTEC. So everything plugged in, and that's how I made my harness, you know, 15 something years ago. But my ignition was starting to go bad, so I found this. Boom, little eBay special. I had good reviews. The one I just threw in the EK is working perfect. So we got ignition, guys. Boom. All right, next up, we got one of our favorite companies that we like working with, True Harp. All right. So what do you guys think's in here? Give you 5 seconds. Put it in the comments. All right. Front lower control arms. Nice and beefy. pretty much stock, just new. So that's going to be good. We don't have to worry about them, you know, rusting or anything. It's got a good little paint job on it. And the most important part was the new bushings, guys. So these on mine are shot completely. And I was trying to find some at the junkyard, could not find any. So just went ahead and got these guys. So we'll slap these on. Next up. All right, for this next one, sticking with the front end from the good people at Jack Spania. This guy's local. He's like 45 minutes from my house. So whenever I do order something, it comes in like the next day. I was trying to get these same exact parts from another company. It was through an eBay seller, but I kept ordering them, and then it said that that my order was refunded. So maybe they didn't have them in stock or something. But while I was searching, I ended up seeing that Jack Spania makes the same exact part that I was looking for. So I don't mind rocking with him. His parts seem to be really good quality, guys. So if anything, I'll leave a link. You guys go ahead and hit him up. Go look at his parts that he's got. Get his bubble wrap out of the way. And boom, that's what we got, guys. We got the drop forks. So these are what we've been waiting for. So I can go ahead and get these slapped on the EF. Really good quality, billet aluminum. His name's right there engraved on it, so that's pretty cool. So this is going to help us get a little bit lower. So what I'm going to do, I'll pull the suspension off. I'll measure it and see where it is, because I want to go about, let's see, I want to go about 1.5 inches lower than what the front end currently is right now. So I'll measure where the shock and the stock forks are at, and then I'll just minus 1.5 inches from there. And when I put these on, then I'll you know, move the coilover around, whatever I got to do to get that. Line them both up, and then see where we're sitting on the car, guys. But these should really help out, get us lower, because like I said, we're maxed out on how low we can go with these coilovers that I got. So this is going to be pretty cool. Call this back in here until I'm ready to use it. I am still waiting on, I bought some extended lower ball joints to press in my my spindles. I'm hoping that's going to help with the suspension geometry once I go super low, like how I'm kind of planning on going. So I'll have to press those in. I got all the tools at work, so most likely I'll just pop them off, take them to work with me like on Monday or something, knock them out, and then slap everything together for you guys on a video. But I do have one more item. It's kind of big. Let me move this stuff out of the way. All right. You guys know what this is? Probably not. All right, let's go ahead and let's get it out. Boom. Start us up with drag wing for the EF, guys. So I really wanted to do, I believe PCI makes it. Don't quote me on that. I gotta look it up. I believe it's PCI or NPC. One of the companies makes a big wing, one that goes and kind of covers the whole entire back of the trunk. It has like the arms and stuff that come down and kind of bolts onto the top of the roof there. But people tell me that might just be a little bit too much for how simple the car is. So I figured, you know what? Get rid of that stock little wing on there and put this one on. Of course, we're gonna paint match it. So once we bust out the paint to do this, I want to body work it too, make sure it's nice and flat, because this is just like an ABS plastic, and sometimes they have like little warps and wiggles and whatever, lumps and valleys in them. So we'll have to put like some high build on there and block it real good, die coat it, block it again, make sure that it's all flat. So when we're painting that, I was thinking we might as well paint the fenders, because I've been putting that off forever. Because you know how it is when you got everything bolted up and you're like, man, I got to take it all back apart again, sand it all down, primer, paint it, you know, body work, little dents and dings from the kids with their bicycles and scooters, all that type of stuff. But I do need to do those fenders. And then my son, wants me to do the mirrors white. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. I think it actually might look good. I think it'll make it a little bit more modern, kind of like the Integra, having the white mirrors. But let me know what you guys think in the comments about the white mirrors. Because if you guys don't say nothing and you guys, don't get surprised when I paint them white, and don't get mad at me in the comments and say, oh, why'd you paint them white? Because this is your chance to tell me not to paint them white if you like the black mirrors. But I think that's going to end off today's video, guys. I know it was a short one. I know it was kind of different, but like I said, I'm just trying to sell this Integra, put some money into this Civic, put some money into the EK outside, put some money into the house, bills, whatever, kids. I had a lot of savings put up into this car. So now that I'm ready to sell it, it's at a good point right now. Loss is done. It's going to enjoy this car. I think it's going to be the perfect timing, guys. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, and guys, if you made it this far in the video, please subscribe. Like I checked my my stats on YouTube, and it's saying that like 98% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So get me up there, guys. Like, I get pretty good views. I know we can get some more subscribers. The more subscribers we get, the more cool stuff we can do with the car. So let me know, guys, in the comments about what you think about everything, and I'll see you in the next one.